Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of cannot uninstall Epic Games Launcher or the Epic is already running kind of issues when you try to uninstall the Epic Games. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply right click on your start menu. Let's say, for example, once if you close the Epic Games Launcher, it might have been transferred to the tray. Now, in order to fix that, just simply right click on the start menu, then click on task manager. Here in this list, just simply go to the processes and here search for Epic. Now make sure that no process remains active with Epic Game. Now, for example, if I run Epic Games Launcher in the background, here you can see multiple services from Epic Games Launcher have been running in the background. So just simply right click over there and hit on this option of end task. And now when you try to again uninstall it, it will simply gets uninstalled easily.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.